Hi guys, it's me, Georgika. If you haven't watched my channels, you should start watching them more because they're boom. So today I'm doing a review of my presents that I got for Christmas. I wanted to share it with you guys. So my sister's just done her first video, so don't forget to give her a big thumbs up. And first of all, pause this video right now. Comment down below what present you think I've gotten. By the way, I'm saving the two best for last. So, for Christmas, from Santa. First I'll do all the Santa stuff, then I'll do all the family stuff. Look, yeah, just after this video. That's just my sister. Okay, this is a book I got for Christmas. It's called Dolly and Buster. It's so beautiful. And this is my next present. It's called Gemso Dig Kit. I've already done it, but I found all the free crystals. I'll show you in part 2. Well, if I have a part 2, I'll show you them. This, my friend, is to hang up in your room. You know these grassy heads? I got one, but I haven't planted it yet. I haven't put any seeds in it. I got a pink poodle. Like, who doesn't like pink? I got this so pretty. It's a necklace. It goes gold, pink, gold, gold, pink, gold, gold, pink. There's a bit more pinks though, but whatever. I got bubbles, crackers. And I got this for cycling and swimming. You can see up close. I also got this really cool thing. You're gonna love this. It takes all your energy away. So if you have your hand on it for the whole day, you're going to be exhausted. Just because this takes your energy away. And the most thing I love, all I've wanted for my Sandgate Swimming Club is a Sandgate Storm cap. We all got one, but I love this. It's like a heart to me. Well, whatever a heart looks like. I got a mirror. And if you can see, let me get it. There's the mirror. Hello, you can even see the mirror there. That means the camera's up there. There's the camera. I've got this thing. And it's like Jenga, basically. This is awesome. This goes with the ants. I got this ants jungle ant colony. I got this trousers. I love them. Well, you don't see it there. I got fashion design. I'll let you see one. I love it. And I got a game. Let's try it. Totally, my dad got these two stuff for me. I like this and I like that, because I'm more of a swimmer. And I got some perfume. These are really cool. You actually paint your nails when they're ready. You put glitter on them. And I got Japanese pens and some homemade soap. And one of the best things I got was a telescope. you take this cap off and this cap off, and you go like, it's so cool. Drum roll, please. The best thing I got was a clarinet. Just let me open it, and I'll just build it. The only problem is I didn't get a reef, so I can't play it. Guys, when I get a reef, I'm definitely going to be showing you guys. Just give me a minute, guys. I'll be as quick as I was. It's been a long time. Oh, I love this clarinet. Yeah, because I'm only in grade 4 and I play clarinet at school. And when you get into grade 5 in Australia, you have to buy your own. I decided to continue. So this is my clarinet. We can't really see it in full screen. That's it, okay. That's my clarinet. And while I'm doing this, I'd just like to wish you guys all just me, you run a clarinet. Clarinet is for cool kids. What I say? Sadly, my friend isn't doing it next year, Sophie. I'm just finishing this video, sis. That's just my little sister wanting to do slime, but she has to wait. There's there. There. That's my clarinet. And guys, just let you know, comment down below and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Goodbye. Bye. And also give me another big thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below.